Your child is sick, it's the middle of the night, and they need medicine, so you grab the measuring teaspoon from your cabinet. But is it really the same as a teaspoon dose from a dosing spoon?
A regular tablespoon or teaspoon that you get out of the silverware drawer is probably going to measure too much medication as compared to an actual medicine dosing spoon.
Amanda Leeson is with Safe Kids Upstate. She says not all teaspoons measure the same.
Cough syrup actually is a very commonly used drug, but it's also very commonly overdosed.
Now, we tested this out with some household objects you may have, and all of these are supposed to be about a teaspoon of medication, but as you can tell, the spoon out of the kitchen is obviously the most, but in second, surprisingly, the syringe you're given from the pharmacy is the second most amount. Now, officials at Safe Kids Upstate recommend you use a dosing spoon like this one, and as you can tell right here, that's the least. Leeson says overdosing, even by a small amount, can be dangerous.
It's very dangerous. You know, any sort of medication given in too high of an amount for a child's age and weight is going to have some, negative consequences for that child.
She says some things to look for in a possible overdose: hyperactivity, muscle twitches, and lethargy. Anything that might be out of the normal activity. A small dose of advice that just might save a child's life. Allison Powell, WIFF News 4 in Greenville.